Hello, I'm Mr. Ethan, and today I'd like to teach you a bit about the excellent STEAM kits we have available for checkout at the library. The STEAM kits are located on the same island that the new books are located on at the library, except they are on the opposite side. If you need any help finding them, either come to the Youth Services Desk and ask me or Miss Emily for assistance. The library's STEAM kits follow a format of including an activity and an informational packet that gives some really nice information about the topic at hand, as well as providing a list of books the library has that can be checked out if you would like to learn more about the topic. Some of the topics covered by our STEAM kits include dinosaurs, animals, how to make your own movie using Legos, and many other topics. When you check out a STEAM kit, you'll be able to keep it for 7 days before having to return it to the library. The STEAM kits at the library are held in plastic containers that look like this, so now you know what they look like in case you want to check one out. The kit I just shown, this kit is our STEAM kit devoted to logic games and puzzles, and it really helps develop problem solving. As you can see in the STEAM kit first, we have our informational packet. Each kit will contain an informational packet, and it will list things like the contents of the kit. This one contains a game called Cat Crimes, and then it goes on to list all the pieces within the game box. And then we have a second page that says, check out these brain-busting mystery stories, and it has a list of some books that are really great that we hold at the Mooresville Public Library, like the Nancy Drew series, Scooby-Doo books, The Westing Game by Ellen Raskin, Maze of Bones by Rick Riordan, and Holes by Louis Sachar. And the books listed tend to be related to the topic at hand of the kit, so since this is a mystery-solving board game, the books are mystery novels. The dinosaur kit that we also have at the library, for example, would have a list of books that have information about dinosaurs. Now, the real meat of this kit is the game Cat Crimes. This is a really fun board game in which you are given clues to figure out which cat committed which crime. Some of the crimes the cats can commit include eating a fish, eating a bird, or ruining a pair of shoes. It's a really fun game that challenges your ability to solve problems and to really parcel out through logic what happened, and I think this was a great thing worth checking out with your friends and family. A second kit I would like to showcase today is our Coding in Scratch kit. Scratch is a programming system developed by the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, which is a really famous university for science and engineering. Scratch allows you to create your own animations and video games and is available completely free online. The Coding in Scratch kit gives you access to 2 books that really showcase what you can do in Scratch and give you some example projects and let you really get your feet wet with figuring out what you want to make. And using the projects as a starting point, you can create some really awesome video games and animations. First we have Coding for Kids in Scratch 3, and then we have Coding Games in Scratch, which I think would be a really interesting and popular book. It, again, teaches you how to make video games, and I think your friends will be really impressed with that if you made your own games. And it also has, again, an information packet that lists some more games available, more books, that is, such as Getting Started with Scratch, Code This, Puzzles, Games, and Computer Coding Concepts for the Problem Solver in You, Coder in Training, and several others. This one does present an activity, which is a brief explanation of Scratch. Most kits do have an activity described, such as the dinosaur kit, which involves putting Play-Doh over the skeletons of dinosaurs in order to kind of bring them back to life. Thank you so much for joining me today for this virtual program where we learned a bit about some of the STEAM kits available to Mooresville Public Library. I really hope you'll stop in with your family to check out all of the STEAM kits we have and maybe take one home for yourselves and see what they're all about. I think you'll have a lot of fun and learn a lot. I would also like to ask that you like and subscribe to the Mooresville Public Library YouTube channel. It really helps us out, and you'll be able to stay on top of all of our great virtual programs as they get uploaded every Monday at 1 p.m.